As winter's icy breath sweeps across the land, the air within our homes can become a parched desert, a silent thief stealing moisture from our skin and sinuses. However, the Honeywell 1.1G Mist Humidifier stands as a beacon of relief. A personal oasis in the arid landscape of indoor living. This incredible device, with its 1.1-gallon capacity, acts as a tireless guardian, continuously replenishing the air with a fine, cool mist that is both soothing and restorative. Indeed, it works diligently, like a gentle rain falling upon cracked earth, to restore the natural balance and comfort of your environment. Furthermore, its ability to cover up to 800 square feet ensures that even large rooms can feel the transformative power of a properly humidified atmosphere, making it a truly indispensable ally against the harshness of dry air. In essence, it is not merely an appliance but a compassionate caretaker, mending the invisible damage caused by low humidity and thus ensuring that you and your loved ones can breathe easier and live more comfortably. The Honeywell 1.1G Mist Humidifier is designed with both efficacy and user convenience in mind, and therefore, it is a testament to thoughtful engineering. Specifically, its top-fill design and wide tank opening make refilling and cleaning an effortless task. And consequently, you can maintain optimal performance without any hassle. Moreover, the device operates with a whisper-quiet hum, a soft melody of comfort that will not disturb your sleep or daily activities. Instead, it works discreetly in the background, a silent spring that flows perpetually, bringing forth a refreshing coolness. For instance, the adjustable mist output allows you to customize the level of humidity to your exact preference, so you can tailor the environment to suit your unique needs. Whether you desire a subtle dewy freshness or a more substantial wave of moisture. Ultimately, the Honeywell 1.1G Mist Humidifier is a versatile champion, a true partner in the quest for a more pleasant and healthful indoor climate. Ultimately, the benefits of the Honeywell 1.1G Mist Humidifier extend far beyond simple comfort, as it is a vital tool for promoting overall wellness. By maintaining proper humidity levels, this device can help to alleviate a myriad of common ailments associated with dry air, such as irritated sinuses, chapped lips, and dry, itchy skin. In fact, it can be a soothing balm for those suffering from colds or allergies, providing a gentle mist that helps to ease congestion and soothe a sore throat. On the other hand, it also protects your home itself, safeguarding wood furniture and floors from cracking and warping due to lack of moisture. Thus, the Honeywell 1.1G Mist Humidifier is more than just a convenience. It is a foundational element of a healthy home. Nevertheless, its elegant design and powerful performance make it an ideal choice for anyone seeking to turn their dry, static-filled space into a welcoming, moist haven. Therefore, investing in this humidifier is a wise decision, as it offers a profound and lasting improvement to your quality of life. Pros: very quiet, easy to operate, easy to handle. Fill and place: no mineral dust to deal with, no residue or cleanup, no more white dust, no more leaky surprises. Great for dry eyes or skin, easy to use, humidifies air without residue, keeps my guitar collection in good shape, can use tap water. Cons: original filter was garbage. Honeywell filters are over-engineered garbage, bare to clean effectively, requiring disassembly. Fan blades collect dust and are not accessible, poor design for proper maintenance. Features: water tank capacity 1.1 gallons, runs up to 24 hours, adjustable mist settings, quiet operation, automatic shutoff. Filter-free design, easy to clean, ideal for large rooms. The Honeywell 800 Square FT 1.1 gallon Cool Mist Humidifier is designed for large rooms. It features a 1.1-gallon water tank that provides up to 24 hours of cool mist. The humidifier has adjustable mist settings and operates quietly. It also includes an automatic shut-off function for safety and is filter-free for easy cleaning. The Honeywell 800 FT 1.1-gallon cool mist humidifier is very quiet and easy to use. It's simple to handle, fill, and place, and it effectively humidifies the air without leaving behind any mineral dust or residue. This makes it great for soothing dry eyes and skin, as well as protecting items like a guitar collection. However, the original filter is ineffective, and the replacement Honeywell filters are considered poor quality. The unit's design makes it a bear to clean properly, as it requires disassembly and the fan blades are inaccessible and collect dust.